The Ministry of Civil Aviation has designated Delhi International Airport as a major hub for the import and distribution of COVID-19 related medical essentials. GMR Group, which operates the Indira Gandhi International Airport, said in a statement that a 3,800 square meter dedicated distribution facility has been made operational at the airport for this purpose. Finance Ministry gave a report on the amount of funds distributed under the centre's first relief package to counter the economic distress due to the COVID-19 lockdown for the weaker sections. The ministry said that more than 33 crore people received financial assistance of rupees 31,235 crores under the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan package. Rupees 10,025 crores were dispersed to women Jan Dhan account holders. Rupees 1,405 crores dispersed to about 2.82 crore old age persons, widows and disabled persons. The first installment of the PM Kisan transferred to 8 crore farmers. Meanwhile, it was earlier reported by NDTV, quoting minister sources, that a second stimulus package by the centre is still some way off. Congress President Sonia Gandhi said at the Congress Working Committee meeting that the ruling BJP was spreading the virus of communal prejudice at a time when everyone together should fight coronavirus. She also said that the centre's response to her letter of request was devoid of compassion and large-heartedness. She also applauded frontline workers for their tireless efforts. The Shahi Imam of Delhi's Jama Masjid urged Muslims to offer prayers at their homes in the holy month of Ramzan. He said, if we follow government instructions, we'll be able to eradicate COVID-19 soon. By following social distancing, we will be able to protect everyone, he added. The World Health Organization chief Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus warned that most countries were still in the early stages of controlling the COVID-19 pandemic. He highlighted that some countries that thought they had the new coronavirus under control were witnessing a resurgence in cases. Also, he noted troubling upward trends in Africa and the Americas. Having been criticized for not taking swift action against the disease, the WHO boss said a global emergency was declared timely on January 30th and cautioned countries to make no mistake this time, adding that the virus will be with us for a long time. Jammu and Kashmir Police Chief Dilbag Singh claimed that Pakistan is now exporting coronavirus patients to spread the virus among people of Kashmir. Saying that the strategy was disturbing, he said forces have to be additionally cautious. The claim comes a week after a top army commander said they have received intelligence inputs that Pakistan was sending COVID-19 patients into Pakistan-occupied Kashmir to prep them for infiltration to India. Satellite data published by US space agency NASA shows that air pollution over northern India has plummeted to a 20-year low for this time of the year. Every year, aerosols, which are tiny solid and liquid particles suspended in the air, contribute to unhealthy levels of air pollution in many Indian cities. This year, there was a sharp drop in aerosols due to the lockdown and other weather conditions. The Supreme Court on Wednesday said that the benefits of reservation for SC, ST and OBC communities were being usurped by the affluent and it was not trickling down to people who actually need this positive discrimination. The bench said the government is duty-bound to periodically review the process in order to ensure that the benefits are not shored up by the well-off.